So here's a quick tutorial on how to upgrade memory in a MacBook. Before you begin, if you visit Apple's website, you can check and see which memory you need. You might want to just check you get the exact correct MacBook Pro model. So if this particular model is a MacBook Pro 13-inch mid-2012, on the memory you can see it comes with 4 GB installed as base. Today we're going to upgrade for 16 MB. You can also check on the website the exact type of memory that you need to purchase to be able to make sure it is compatible. It does say here that there's a maximum memory limit of 8 GB. I'm assured by the internet that you can put 16, so we'll give that a go. So to begin, just power off the laptop. And you can turn it over with the hinge away from you. Now you want to start by removing the screws around the outside. For that you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, size 00. So starting on the top right, remove these 3 screws here. Make sure you put them somewhere safe, like on the middle of your desk. Note that these 3 screws are longer than the rest, so just remember when you come to put them back in that with the hinge away from you, these 3 screws are the longer ones. So once you've removed all the screws from the outside, keep them very safe, you can lift up the back panel, place that aside. So this hasn't been cleaned since 2012. Located just here, this is the memory. There's 2 retaining clips just at the side. If you push those outwards, see the memory you have will flip up. Place them to one side and repeat the process, and the next one will flip up too. So the memory we're going to install is made by Duo My Key. I think I'm saying that right. It's 16 GB. It's 2 8 GB DDR3 16,000 MHz sodium PC3L. So check on the Apple website, make sure you get the right compatible memory for your machine. So taking that out. So this notch will line up with a notch here. From the angle I'm viewing, you can clearly see which way it goes around. And you want to set that in at a slight angle into the lower bank, and then just push down. Repeat the process for the top one. Slight angle, and push down. The retaining clip should push back in. You can then go ahead and replace the cover. So just in a reverse process, remembering that the longer screws go in this one, and this one on the top right hand side. finally secure the top 3 longer screws. Okay, so now we'll find out if that's worked. Power the machine back on. So once your computer's restarted, if you click on the Apple logo about this Mac again, you can see the memory has been recognized, 16 gigabytes in 2 8GB slots, both slots recognized in use. And that concludes how to upgrade the memory on an old MacBook and make it good as new.